Hello students, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadar. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn English of Standard 3rd and the topic name is Go and Come. Yes students, this is the story of a little boy. In this story, we will go through many types of expressions, or you can say different feelings. You can see here emojis that shows happy face, sad face, calm face, angry face, crying face, etc. Right? Okay, then we will see what happens with that boy in the story. Okay? Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. What is the meaning of cottage, you know? Cottage is nothing but a small simple house. We usually see cottages in a rural area. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants has to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. The meaning of manure is material mixed with soil to help plants grow. Okay? They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Here prune means removed dead and unwanted parts of the plants to help them grow. Okay, the garden needed weeding and cleaning. Here weeding means removing troublesome or unwanted plants from a field or garden. Otherwise what happens, that unwanted plants or that weed that only takes all nutritious portion of the earth or the soil. So the plants, the other plants, whatever we put to grow, they become very weak. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day, he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. "Little boy," he said, "you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child," he said. "I can't do it," boy said. Here you can see that the uncle was very angry with that boy because he was playing and uncle said him to work. Correct? "Oh yes, you can," said the uncle. "Well, I don't want to, not just now," said the boy. "But you must. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go," said the uncle. So the boy became very sad. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the boy sat still because he was very sad. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Here, welled up means filled with the water. He started to cry because he became very sad. Just then his mother walked in. "What's the matter, little boy?" she asked. "Why do you look so unhappy?" The boy said, "Uncle told me to weed the garden." The mother was very calm. She asked, "Oh, what fun that will be. I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed?" she asked. "Why, yes." The boy became very happy. Their mother said, "Come, let's do it now." Yes, the boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, walking and chatting and laughing. This is the story of a little boy. At last he became very happy and he helped his mother to weed and to clean the garden. Both of them, they were very happy. They walked, they chatted and they laughed and they completed their work. Nice story, na? Correct? The story is written by Laura E. Richards. Now students, we will move to the exercise part. Here answer the following questions. First one, who had come to stay with the little boy and his family? Yes, who came to his family? The little boy's uncle had come to stay with the little boy and his family. Okay, try to write the answer in full sentence. Correct? The little boy's uncle came to stay with them. Second one, what did the uncle believe in? Yes, how was the uncle? The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Isn't it? That you have to write here. Next question. Was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? Yes, weeding means taking out the unwanted plants. Correct? And it is a small work, not that much big work. Yes. Is it right or wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? No, it was not wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. Next one. Was the boy naughty? Yes, you know that. No, the boy was not naughty. Now students, we will write now opposite words to the given words. See, first one, little. Second, pretty. Third, different. Fourth, few. Okay, you know the meaning of little. Little means small. The opposite of little is big. Second one, pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Correct? And the opposite is ugly. Different. Different types of flowers means many different colors like that. What is the opposite of different? Same. Few. The opposite of few is many. Few means less, many means more. Okay? Now pick the odd man out. See here, 4 words are given. 3 words has the relation or they are of same kind and one is different. Whichever is different, we have to take that out. That is called as odd man out. Okay, we will read the first one. Chin, nose, eyes, mother. Yes, which is the odd one? The odd one? Yes, correct. Mother is the odd one because the chin, nose and eyes are the parts of our face. Right? Second one, house, father, uncle, mother. Guess? Yes, you are right. The answer is house. Because father, uncle, mother are the family members and house is a non-living. Next one, rose, lotus, banana, sunflower. Select the odd one. Correct, that is banana because rose, lotus and sunflower, they are flowers. Banana is a fruit. Correct? Now here one more. Find and write the lines that tell us how the boy's family took care of the garden. You know that the boy's family was taking care of the garden very well. Here we have to find and we have to write the lines that tell us that the boy's family took care of the garden. We'll see. First one, the plants had to be watered every day. See, they used to water the plants every day. That sentence is there in that story. They had to be given manure from time to time. We give manure once in a month or once in a 2 months, like that period will be there. Period is there to give the manure. So they used to give the manure to plants. Next one, the garden needed weeding and cleaning. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Yes, here also we can see all these things were done by his family. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. That also we saw. So these are the different lines that tell us how the boy's family took care of the garden. Yes, students, thank you very much for listening the story. Okay, and please go through that story. Read the story 2 to 3 times and learn the hard words and get their meanings. Okay, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.